Hello all, good morning. This is Agustin here. I am the product manager of Lehagen Private Limited. It's a distribution firm. Today I'm going to talk about Ajax security system as we are the master distributors of Ajax systems throughout Indian territory region. Now we are going to talk about Ajax security system in a brief way, just an introduction to an Ajax systems. So introducing Ajax, it's a Ukrainian company, it's a Ukrainian brand. It's completely a professional wireless security solution. Wireless security solution in the sense all the devices are completely wireless. It communicates wirelessly. No wire is required to connect all those devices. And the company is founded in 2011. It is in almost 120 countries. It was just a startup in 2000 up to 2015. They were in only two countries, but now almost they have accomplished over 120 countries over the globe. It's a fast, highly growing company. So, what do they do? Actually, what are the systems they involve? What are the directives they have in Ajax systems? Like they have bug alarm systems, which directs in case of any threats happen or in case of any intrusions happen. Next thing is they also prevent fire, like they do have fire or smoke detectors, all are wireless, and they do direct floodings, like they have leak detectors in their systems, and they also have automation controlling devices to ensure that things happens in an automatic way, like to trigger on lights or turn on close off the valves, then those kind of automation scenarios, as well as they do integrate with the CCTV cameras to view it in a single applications way. Okay. So what are the things they can control? Ajax system can be implemented in what segments? It will be like apartments, how individual houses or villas, office or stores area, industrial enterprises or warehouses. Even you can also install in more portable vehicles or yachts, etc. The unique feature of this product is their way of wireless communication technology. The communication technology, what they use in this product is called what we call it as jeweler technology. The advantage of the jeweler is like its communication range. It communicates up to 2000 meters, where in market we have Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi. We don't. It doesn't even travel more than 150 meters in open space. But this communicates up to 2000 meters in an open space, and the communication range is highly reliable. And the thing is, the advantage of jeweler is like it's a two-way communications, and it transmits alarm from detectors to the hub within 0.515 seconds, and it provides adjustable device ping interval that you can adjust in their settings itself, and it's all the data communicates with the communicated with the jeweler frequency is highly encrypted using AES algorithm, and detects radio jamming as well as any interferences in the frequency, and saves detector's battery life. So it also ensures the battery life of the detectors goes up to 5 to 7 years of lifespan. The next thing is like we do also use another protocol called wings, which we use to transmit high speed like larger size data like pictures, which we take from our motion cams, which detects motion as well as takes pictures of it. This pictures will be sent through this company particular protocol called wings. It's same as jeweler. Thing is, it transmits the photos to the users within a span of it delivers the images within a time of 9 seconds, and this also communicates via an additional antenna which is placed in the hub itself. Okay. Next thing is like it's the system reliability. The system has anti-sabotage in the sense in case of any attacks, it can withstand to it. For example, like an blackout like a power blackout happens, it has a power backup of up to 16 hours. Even if the power fails, it goes in a backup battery up to 16 hours. And also, next thing is like in case of radio jamming attacks. So if anyone tries to jam our frequency using jammers or anything that cases, it immediately notifies the users or the security companies that the frequencies being jammed. If anyone tries to hack the data, like everything is communicated wirelessly, right? So if anyone tries to hack the data, it immediately it cannot be done because it's highly encrypted using AES algorithm, and Ajax encrypts all transmitted data using block chipper with a dynamic key and authenticates devices during each interaction. So this prevents the data of hacking into it. Next thing is like internet issues. So if the user might think, how about the internet issue? How about the if internet fails? How the communication goes to the user? So that's why the Ajax product provides four way of backup communications. Like there will be Ethernet port which connects with the LAN port. Next thing is like Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can connect with any Wi-Fi network in the home or any in the particular area, and also it provides two different SIM card slots where you can use two different networks, which also have 4G capabilities. One, so there is always a backup way of communications. So if even the Ethernet fails, it takes Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi fails, it takes the SIM cards available in the hub itself. So there won't be if even completely if it lost the communications, it will be always connected with the server. So the server will like if the hub goes offline, it will immediately notifies to the user that the hub is offline. Next thing is like tampering resistance. So all these devices have tamper resistance. Tampering alarm system. So in case if anyone tries to remove the devices from the location, or someone tries to damage the devices, immediately will raise an alarm to it. These devices are connected in a wireless way, so this detectors will be the hub will be ensuring that the detectors are alive using a ping signal. So if the ping is not returning back in a particular particular span of time, immediately it will notify to the user that the particular device is not responding or it is in the malfunction condition. Like we have our own cloud service because all the applications, all the interfaces are connected with our Ajax cloud systems, and it's a cloud service with advanced load balancing for round the clock monitoring of the system from any location worldwide. So you can access around the globe wherever you are through our cloud system. And this cloud monitors the hub performance at least in every 10 seconds, and it delivers the status to the of the system in real time. Okay, it so sends notifications to end users and to the CMS software which we have connected with, and allows user to configure manage Ajax from anywhere around the world. They can just configure it, or if they want to like change any parameters in the application, they can do in anywhere around the world. And uses three independent data centers which guarantees constant access to the system. So we have three different data centers around the globe, and which is having a backup way of thing, and keep system configuration autonomous and encrypted. This is the architecture of the Ajax systems, how it works. So you can see at the left side, you can see the detectors are installed, and which will be communicating with the panel that will be called as hub wirelessly using Jeweled protocol. And these panels communicate with our cloud system using the TCP protocol. And next thing is like the hub, the panel. In case if you can integrate with in case of like third party integrations like CMS softwares, or you want to integrate with any kind of security systems, you can also integrate with the CMS software using SIA protocol, or even CID protocols. This ensures that the alarm triggered from your devices will reflect in the CMS software as well. And you can also integrate the third-party CCTV cameras into the applications using the Ajax cloud service. The entire system runs in a software called Malevich. So the Malevich is a secure real-time operating system for stable operation of Ajax product, and it protects against viruses and any cyber attacks. and verifies device operation status and reports to the system owner at the frequent time. And over the air update regularly provide new features, like it can update automatically in case of any new updates comes up, ensure the system does not get overloaded. So this is like an advanced software, like a military grade software in that cases. So if you are talking about product line, there are several products involved in this segment, which has outdoor detectors. Mainly, it involves a control panel, which we call it as hubs, and there are a lot of indoor security detectors. I mean, intrusion detectors, outdoor detectors, as well as we do have range extenders to extend the range of the hub more than 2,000 meters. We do have fire prevention system, flood prevention systems, and the control units like keypads or key fobes or panic buttons. And we do also have integration models, like if you want to integrate with a third party system or integrate with the third party devices to integrate with our systems, and sirens, and even automation triggering modules like relays, wall switches, sockets. So these are like multiple levels of products we have in our segment, which we will detailedly study in the next webinar, which I'll explain in each and every individual products very clearly. Next thing is, like, you can also integrate with the CCTV cameras. So maximum is like almost you can integrate with any CCTV detectors with the Ajax systems, the Huawei Equation, Sapphire, or anyway cameras, and even DVRs also can be connected. DVRs and NVRs also can be integrated with the system, or you can also integrate with any cameras using RTSP protocols. Installations of this system is very simple, like a plug and play type. So it is very simple to install, and adding it to the application is very too simple. Just scan the QR codes and add it to the applications, and that's it. It's not too complicated. It's a user-friendly system. The applications what we provide to the user will be like, there are two different applications are there. One is for users, and another is for the pros, that we call it as installers. So the end user, they have the application which they can arm or disarm, or any kind of configuration or scheduling. Anything can be done with that application. The pro application can be used by the installers. Like we in pro, we have two different applications. One is for mobile, and other is for the desktop oriented one, where they can have remotely, if you want to remotely configure the site, or if you want to monitor the site, what happens in case of malfunctions. Everything can be done using the pro applications. That's it with the introduction of Ajax systems. We will get back to you with the detailed presentation of products as well as their installations part. Thank you so much.